0.
Coach,
Mount
5 goals
Pleasant
is good.
Football Academy
Ended it
0.
basically from the first half.
So
Speak to me
Racing
about
United
how you
3,
guys plan
Alliance
to manage the game going forward in the second half.
I think we started out a little bit cagey.
0.
One has to understand that over 5-6 weeks we haven't played a competitive game, so I kind of understand and see with the team in terms of how we start. And then after about 15 minutes, you realize that we gradually grow. And got 4 goals in the first half. And pretty much things that took care of things in the first half. So it was about us now mentally to be able to come back out and refocus. I didn't think we do that quite well, and I thought we had a below par second half. Maybe psychologically we felt that the game was thrown up. So I wasn't pleased with the second half at all. And to have conceded those 2 goals late in the game, I'm very disappointed with that. But overall, scoring 5 goals at this level is very good against any team.
Coach, you mentioned the second half not to your liking. Is it because they changed their tactic a bit and pressed you guys more? You felt that your team, had some trouble dealing with that press?
Honestly speaking, I thought the Spanish town came back out with a little bit more energy. But we didn't lift our energy in at all. As I said before, maybe psychologically we felt that the game was put to bed. We've been having some issues in terms of our restart, and we spoke about it. So I thought we came back out and very lethargic, and it shows that the Spanish town team had the better of us, especially in the first 20 minutes. So it's something that we have to speak about and concentrate on doing better next game.
All right, Coach. Rowan Brown got a hat trick. He was on stellar form before the break. How important was it for him to continue keep up that form during the break? Post break.
Very important. I thought both as a team and individual we put in a lot of work over the past 4 weeks. He himself would have worked very hard, so I'm very, very happy for him. Hopefully that this club can give him much confidence going forward.
Yeah, Coach, I wanted to speak about the restart. The inclusion of Kimani Reese, Tyrone Harrison, young exuberance as well with mixed experience. Speak to me about how they're coming into the team and impacting.
It's part of the policy that we want to recreate at Harbour View. We want to have the experienced players out there leading the youngsters. Harbour View has always been a club that exposes the young players, and it makes no sense you have them around and not giving them the opportunity. And I thought the youngsters came in today and did fairly well. Hopefully this will give them some moral boost going forward.
Can you give us your take as well on Rashawn Oldfield's performance? I thought he was very good, especially in the first half.
Yeah, I thought he did very well. First half, fell off a little bit in the second half. But again, as I said, even though we have been training for the past 4 weeks, game rustiness may play a part for both teams actually. So it's always difficult. Sometimes it matters not how you train, but the game situation is a different situation. And I thought that maybe that would have affected him in the second half. So this game will do good for him for the next one.
Given that, next to this opponent you played today, you guys have the second worst defensive record up to this point. How disappointing was it to give up 2 goals, and what can you guys work on and training to try to rectify that going forward?
To put it bluntly, I'm very disappointed. We have put in a lot of work over the past 4 weeks where that is concerned. When I came in, we analyzed the data and we recognized that we were conceding 2 goals per game. And it happens today despite we scoring 5. So yes, satisfied with the result, but to have conceded 2 goals today, we're very, very disappointed, and it's something that we have to gradually and continue to work on.
And finally, Coach, we are back from a long break due to Hurricane Melissa. Is widespread out what the impact of the hurricane was. How important to you, in your personal opinion, was football to return, especially at this level?
It was good to have football playing again. We saw what the return of the schoolboy football does for the people. It creates a different level of energy and excitement, and taking the mind off of some issues that the whole country would have suffered, especially the rural part of Jamaica. So it was good to see us coming back out on the pitch and conducting some football. With the fans turn out today, I think they were looking forward to something like this. It can only help the spirits of the people in the country. So I'm very, very happy that we could have returned to play some football today.
All right, Coach. Thank you.
Yeah, man. Cool.